Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. We start our today video with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and kind. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we have to discuss about the concept that is volume or capacity. And we have discussed how we can solve these types of questions too. So now we are moving to over today first slide. But before we go into, I will show you the first slide. I just want to ask you people first you like, then subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you. Okay, first we have to discuss about the volume and capacity. You just say volume or capacity, okay, in one way. Volume is the amount of surface or amount of place, surface you can say, that a liquid or object occupies. Okay? Volume is the amount of space that liquid or object occupies. Okay. Standard unit of volume. You can see the standard unit of volume is L. Standard unit of volume is L. L means liter. Okay. L means liter. Small unit of volume is milliliter. ML. You all of you keep this thing in your mind. Standard unit of volume is liter and smaller unit of volume is milliliter. Here is some example. You can see the example here. If we measure the milk in container, so we just say ke liters. But if we say ke water in small pool, we talk about if the water in small pool, we also measure this in L means liters. Okay. Medicine, any medicine means any syrup. Okay. Is milliliter. Okay. Water in a glass is milliliter. If we talk about the water in glass, then we measure this water in a milliliter. But if we are talking about the water in the small pool, then we are measuring that water in a liters. Then we have a we have a cup of tea, and cup of tea is a milliliter. Okay, cup of tea is a milliliter. Okay, the next thing, if you can see here is the bottle of milk. Okay, if we put some milk in first jar, you can see here is a 1 liter. Okay, this bottle contains a 1 liter milk. We put all the milk here. Now the milk amount is yes 1 liter. Now I put some milk here, here, and here in 3 jars. So 1 liter comes now 500 liters. Okay, 500 milliliters, 100 milliliters and 100 milliliters. Okay, so you can see the measurement here, same like here. But if we talk about the water of bottle, okay, we say that this water bottle is containing 1 liter of water. But if we're talking about this tin, so we just say this tin containing dash milliliters. You say we don't have a fixed amount of milliliters here. Okay. So now we have to do the conversion, and conversion is here L. Here is a put where I put the sign of you say arrow. ML means if we convert L to ML, we convert the numbers liters to milliliters. We have to do the multiplication. Okay, if we converting L into ML, liters into milliliter, we have to do the yes, we have to do the multiplication with 1,000. Okay, so you have to know about this. Okay, whenever we have to multiply L, oh sorry, we have to convert L into ml, liters into milliliters. We have to do the multiplication and multiplication with 1,000. Okay, multiplication with 1,000. This is the conversion form. Okay, or we convert liters into milliliters. If you have to remember this, then you, I think you will easily solve the these types of question that you have to convert liters to in a milliliters, milliliters to in a liters. Okay. So the first thing is that we have to know okay, whenever we convert liters to milliliters, we have to do the multiplication. Okay, and multiplication by 1,000. Multiplication by 1,000, not 100, not 10, not 10,000, only 1,000. Okay. Now we move to the next slide and discuss some more things about this. And now we discuss the example, and you can see here. Okay, If we talk about the convert between kiloliters, liters, and milliliters. Okay, here is the question. 17 kiloliters equals to dash milliliters. ठीक है, first as we know that 1 liter equal है 100 milliliter and 1 kiloliter equal है 1000 L. That's why बच्चे we have to multiply KL into KL means we have to multiply 17 into 1000. We get the answer and again we multiply with 1000 and then we get the answer. Okay, ml. Okay, बच्चे. बच्चे, I think I told you many times that if we are whenever we are solving the question, we go small amount to bigger one, we have to do the multiplication. So you keep this thing in your mind. You know that we, 17 is the smallest one. Now we multiply 17 into 1000, we get the 17,000. Then again we multiply 17 into 1000. Then it comes to a milliliters. Okay. Now we have to discuss about how we convert the milliliters to liters. Okay, how we convert the milliliter into liter in this slide. Okay, conversion ml to L means milliliters to liters. First, we have to convert liters into milliliters. Now we convert milliliters to liters. Milliliter is the biggest amount, and biggest in the sense that this is a smaller unit. But when we see the questions of the milliliter, that is a more than even digit, containing digit more than liters. That's why we divide the milliliter into we divide the milliliter into thousand. Okay, if you have a question now, convert milliliters into liters, you have to do the division. You have to do the division and you divide your number with thousand and you have to divide your number with thousand. Okay, we have to divide with the number with thousand. Okay, again, I tell you, okay, whenever we convert milliliters to liters, whenever we convert milliliter into liters, we have to do the division and the division by thousand. We okay, division by thousand. We have divide the milliliters into divide by thousand. Okay, here I put the two examples. Okay, you can see in first one I changed the liters into milliliters. The second one we change the milliliters into liters. Okay, so how we convert this? The first thing you have to know, okay, one equal to 1000 milliliters. So that's why in L is the liter, and that's why I just put the 1000 ml in place of L. Okay, so L equal as 1000 ml. So we multiply 9 into 1000 and get the answer 9000 ml. Okay, now I think conversion of liters to milliliters is very easy because you just multiply the given number with 1000. Okay, you have just multiplied given number with 1000. Again, tell you if you have a question, okay, if you have a question to convert your number, uh, given number, okay, to milliliter, then you have to do the multiplication and the multiplication with 1000, multiplication with 1000. Okay, and the other hand, we have a, you can see here, but you can 1 liter equal to 1000 ml na. If we say कि 1 ml equal है, तो we have to do the divide the 1000 in both sides. This 1000 is cut to see we have a 1 by 1000. So it means whenever we do this, we have to convert milliliters into liters. We do the division. So we divide the 4500 into 1000, and you can see there is two zero here. So we cut the um, both zero. If you have a zero in a numerator and denominator both, then we have to cut. Okay, we cut the first zero into second one. So first one, second zero of numerator with the second zero of denominator. We cut the both. Then we have a 45 over 10. And when you budget divide the 45 over 10, you get the answer 4.5. Okay, you get the answer 4.5 and the answer of this is 4.5. Okay, bache, and you have to do the division of 45 over 10, okay, on your rough notebook. And when you do this and you check if your answer is 4.5, it means your answer is right, otherwise no. Okay, If we convert milliliters into liters, this is an example that you have to divide 500 into 1000 and get the answer. Okay, bache? Okay, here is one more example, bache, ke, this is a liter. Okay, given number is 0.375. Okay, 0.375. And I want to tell you again that whenever you have to dot is a decimal value, na? That's why you have to read the after point number in a single form. You say 375, not 375. Okay, you pronounce the one digit 375. Okay, well, how we convert this number into ml? Okay, we have to do the multiplication. Okay, multiplication by which one? Which number? Yes, yes. Think about this. Which number? Yes, 1000. And we have to do the multiplication with 1000. So 375 multiply 0.370, sorry, 0.375 multiply with 1000, we get the answer 375. Okay. And the first one is a liter, and now the second one is a milliliter. Okay. I think this is a easiest one. You whenever you convert the L. Okay, you have to convert the L into ml. You do the multiplication. Whenever you convert ml to into L, you have to do the division. But the number is 1000. Multiplication with 1000 and division is also with 1000. Okay. I think now this is clear to you people. Uh, I have just want to say that if any student, any person who are watching this video have any query or question about this concept, you can ask me in chat box. I will reply you. Okay. Okay, here is one more example. You can see this liters or L into ml, liters into milliliters. Okay, and milliliters into liters. The first one is liter into milliliter, and then the second one is milliliters to liter. Okay, 850 milliliter. So we have to convert milliliters into liters. That's why we do the division. Okay, we have to do the division. Okay, the second one is if we having the number and we have to convert this number into uh, milliliter, we have to do the multiplication. 0.25 now we have to multiply 0.25 and we do 1000. Okay, here is a question that I solved for you people. You have to try this question by yourself. Okay, 850 ml into L and 0.255 into ml. You have to solve the both one on your rough notebook, on your rough pages, whatever you want to solve. Okay. The question is 76 milliliter, and you convert this number with 2 liters. So we have to do the division and we divide 76 into 1000 and we get the answer 0.076 liter. Okay. As we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So, bache, keep this thing in your mind, all of the viewers who are watching my video. You whenever you convert liters into milliliters, you have to do the multiplication. Whenever you convert milliliters into liters, you have to do the division. This is a very important concept. Okay, so here is the worksheet that I share with you people. You try to solve these questions by yourself, then it's I think it is fair to you people. Okay, have you learned this concept or not? Okay, if you want, then you stop this video, take a screenshot. Yes, I give you time to take a screenshot. I give you a few seconds. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this and you try to solve this question on your rough pages or notebook. All of you like, subscribe, and comment in my channel. Okay, now I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz to all of you.